my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I had the worst dream ever. I had a dream about, like, this monster chasing me, but I'm all right now. I'll just go back to sleep. Cindy, would you please not be so loud with your snoring? Ugh! Why do you have to be so loud when you snore? Like, come on now. Nobody snores. Well, some people do, but same thing. You are the only one in this family who snores, and it's annoying me. So will you please just try to not snore? Why are you just snoring even louder? Like, I hate this. I'm telling Mom. Good. I'm gonna go tell Mom everything. I hate this. Mom. Oh, hey, Dad. But Mom, why? Why? Just why? Why? Cindy is up snoring all night, and I cannot sleep. I was peacefully in sleep, and then I just had this creepy dream. But anyways, once I woke up from that creepy dream, Cindy, of course, had to go out with her, and yeah, all that, her snoring, which is really making me mad. So please, can you fix it? Well, I can't just fix it, sweetie. I can only do one thing, which is wake her up and then just tell her to try to keep it down, you know? She doesn't even know that she's snoring, okay? So you gotta maybe take it easy on her, because she doesn't know what she's doing in her sleep. She's sleeping. And maybe I think you should give her a break. She doesn't know. And she's just a little kid. You can't just get mad at her for snoring. I mean, I'd understand because Dad here snores every single night and it gets me mad. Sorry, honey. Anyways, she doesn't mean to snore. So you got to give her a break, Mindy. She doesn't know, and she's just a little girl. So give her a break, and maybe just, I hate to say this, but just deal with it, because she's gonna snore, and she's just a little kid, so she doesn't know. Ugh! Ugh, I hate this. Cindy, wake up now. Huh? What happened? What happened? Well, your snoring, as usual, has been too much and loud, and I haven't gotten my sleep. This is why I'm angry, because I keep telling you, stop snoring, and you're like, okay, I'll try, and I bet you don't even try. Oh, well, I do try, I actually do, but you see, I don't know what I'm doing when I sleep. Like, let's say you move in your sleep, right? Because you actually do move in your sleep. Well, you actually don't know that you are, because when you go to bed, you go in, you lay on your side, like on your left side, right? Well, in the morning, you wake up on your right side. that means that you've been moving in your sleep. So there, you understand now. This probably happens to everybody. You go to sleep on one side and then when you wake up, you end up on another side. I think that happens to everybody, sis. Even you. Even me. Even Mom. Probably even Dad. Dad probably snores, I bet. But anyways, I think you should just give me a break. I always say I'll try, but I don't say I will. I'll say I try, because you know how I snore anyways? Well, I don't mean to. I try, and I can't try because I don't know what I'm doing in my sleep. I don't know anything, and I just have to go with the flow, you know? Either you just sleep in here and try to deal with my snoring and maybe get used to it. I mean, I know you kind of are, but maybe if you get used to it and all that, maybe you can stay in here. But if you choose that you're just tired of it, you can't do it anymore, then you can sleep in Mom and Dad's room. Do anything you want, but seriously, give me a break. I honestly don't know that I am doing all these things in my sleep. I am telling you the truth, I don't. So please just give me a break. No, I'm getting tired of this. And you're making me mad because every single time I always have to have no sleep, no nothing. And I'm the one who should always be able to have good sleep. And you don't let me. And you know that you're snoring. You just don't want to listen. No, I want to listen, but you don't ever let me just talk. You don't let me you don't let me say anything. You just keep saying bad things about me because you want to. Because you, for some reason, want to. I don't know why, but you're just making me even more mad. And you're just my sister. So get used to it. I hate to say this, but sometimes you just have to suck it up. Because sometimes a little girl that snores doesn't even know she snores. So yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. I don't ever know that that's how you feel. I never knew that you felt that way. I always just thought that maybe you'd stop when I tell you, but I guess not. But that's what got me mad, because every time I told you you didn't ever listen, and I get really mad, and it's just, I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. I don't know that I'm doing all these things in my sleep. But hey, let's hug it out. Hug. So I see you're getting more along with each other. Yeah. Hey guys, so I think you've learned a lesson that you should not fight with your siblings, because sometimes you don't see the sadness that happens when they do things. And yeah, I hope you had fun in this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and of course like button. And also like and subscribe if you want me to do more of these videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye guys.